This cream will naturally brighten your skin and is a cream you can just make from the comfort of your home and you achieve that beautiful and flawless skin. Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this natural brightening cream. Let's get started. So what you need is apple, orange and carrots, and we are going to be grating all of this. We are going to be getting the zest of the orange, then we are going to be grating the carrots and as well the apple. So this is the orange zest, then grate the carrot. Then next you are going to grate the apple. So this is a natural skin brightening cream you can make yourself at home if you want to have that flawless and even skin. Okay, so here are the grated fruit. Transfer it into a plate like so. So make sure that the plate is very clean. So after transferring it into a plate, we are going to be adding turmeric oil. So add some turmeric oil, then give it a good mix, and we are going to double boil it to infuse. So transfer to a double boiler and leave to infuse. This will stay for about 20 minutes on low heat, and as you guys can see, we have our infused oil. So the next thing you're going to do is to leave it to cool. Then you transfer to a strainer to get the oil. So that aside, get a clean plate, then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. So this is cosmetic aloe vera gel. Then we are going to be adding one tablespoon of base cream. Then you're going to mix very well till well blended. So guys, you're going to love this cream once you make it and start applying it on your skin. And this cream is for all skin tone. If you're dark, you can use this cream. You're fair, you can also use this cream. It naturally brightens the skin. So we are good to go. The next thing you're going to do is to add the infused oil. So keep mixing until everything is nicely blended. So don't forget to add preservative for a longer shelf life. So our cream is almost ready. The next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a clean container. Okay, so guys, here is our natural skin brightening cream. You can make this at home and start using it. Make sure that you apply it on a clean, damp skin for best result. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.